And a short while ago, I spoke to the Madhya Pradesh Director General of Police, Nandan Dubey. I began by asking him the big question. Even before any probe had been done into the tragic murder of Narendra Kumar, the Madhya Pradesh police seemed to be concluding that the mining mafia was not involved. How could he say this when everyone knew that illegal quarrying of stone was being done on a large scale in this area? And could this have happened without the patronage of politicians?
No, it's not like that. We are actually depending on solid evidence. Yesterday, everything happened in broad daylight, and there have been his gunmen, two of the gunmen, and the driver who was with him. And the sequence of events is very clear. There is no ambiguity or doubt about that. So, whatever has happened is a kind of one-off kind of a situation in which the sequence of events led to this tragic incident.
So you're calling it a one-off, but the fact is it is being alleged that the local policemen used to release these tractor trolleys on a regular basis which were being used to illegally carry this quarried stone. Narendra Kumar was trying to stop what the local police in that region was actually encouraging, sir. So to that extent, this is not a one-off.
I think you're right. Narendra Kumar, he had done about 20 odd cases of this type, and he successfully done it in the last 2 months ever since he was there. And as far as we are concerned, we haven't come across any of these specific complaints. They are very general statements.
Saying general statement, Mr. Dubey, Narendra Kumar's father has already alleged that this was a conspiracy. His wife, who is an IAS officer, even alleging that the BJP local MP is involved in this, that the family was not even given a copy of the FIR. He's making serious allegations against the local police officers. Will there be a fair probe, sir, given there is a BJP government in power? Can we expect a fully free and fair investigation?
A much wider inquiry, a judicial inquiry has been ordered by the state government, and all the facts are welcome. And if they are given any supporting facts or anything that comes by way of hard evidence, they will certainly be looked into by the judicial inquiry, which is of a much higher level.
But Mr. Dubey, the bottom line, there is a feeling that the Madhya Pradesh government has turned a blind eye to illegal mining mafia in this region of the state. This is not, I come back to it, the first such instance in Madhya Pradesh where the mining mafia has been involved. February 2012, journalist Chandrika Rai, his wife, was hacked to death because they were reporting extensively on the activities of the coal mining area. The impression is that the mining mafia enjoys political patronage.
I think if there was any such, as far as this officer is concerned, he was doing it fearlessly for the period of 2 months ever since he was there. And there seems to be, there doesn't seem to have been any influence on him of any type for going back on whatever he was doing. And he did it successfully. The 20 cases are already in record. And even yesterday, that he was doing all this, and he did it fearlessly, and he didn't unmindful of whatever might happen, but he took a lot of risk and did all this. So I don't think from his conduct yesterday or even in the last 2 months, anyone could make a deduction that there was any kind of influence on him.
Mr. Dubey, let me ask the direct question. Is your police helpless against the mining mafia and the land mafia in a state like Madhya Pradesh? These groups enjoy political patronage. You cannot act against them. Narendra Kumar acts against them, has paid with his life. Would you agree? It's difficult for you to act against these mafias because of the political patronage they enjoy?
I think one would appreciate that the directions to take action against all these people that come from the government level 15 days back, and all this effort, there have been seizures of liquor, there have been seizures of this kind of people who have been taking law into their hands. So this campaign is going on. It's actually being monitored tomorrow again on the 10th. There is going to be a video conferencing of all the efforts that have been put in.
Sir, I'm going to ask you a direct question one more time. Will Narendra Kumar's family get justice? Will the culprits be brought to book, or will this case be buried somewhere? Is the tractor driver a soft target who you've arrested? Is he acting on his own, or was he part of a larger mafia?
No, we are going to do everything that is required in this matter, and there is no question of anybody being let off. If there are hard evidence, we will certainly go and pursue it.
Hey, Mr. Dubey, appreciate your joining us. That's the DG of Madhya Pradesh giving us his perspective.